Today, I'll be showing you how to operate the windshield wipers of a 2021 Mustang. You'll find the wiper controls located behind the steering wheel on the right side of the column. Pulling the lever down will grant you a single wipe, clearing water or mist from your windshield. Pushing the lever up to the first position will put the wipers into intermittent mode. The rotary dial in the center of the lever will adjust the intermittent wipe intervals. Rotating the dial up will shorten wipe intervals, while rotating it down will lengthen them. Moving the lever to the second position turns your windshield wipers on at their normal operating speed. Pushing the lever to its third and final position engages high-speed wiping, helping you see in the toughest conditions. To turn the wipers off, push the lever all the way down and release. Pulling the lever toward you will activate the washers and spray the windshield. If the washer fluid runs out, refill the reservoir in the engine compartment located on the driver's side of your Mustang. If you'd like to learn more about the 6th generation Mustang, check out one of the video recommendations coming up next. Thanks for watching.